Hello everybody, welcome back. I am Chris. I am Crispy's Toys and Treasures, Crispy's Flips on TikTok. And yeah, so I am here once again to bring some of my knowledge of reselling. Hopefully I can share some of my knowledge to help somebody out. I figure if my videos only help one person, that's cool. I'm happy with that. But there's definitely people starting this journey of reselling, and there are mistakes to be had, and I've made a lot of mistakes over the years. Been doing this for about 20 years, and hopefully I can help you to not make some of the same mistakes I did. So I will continue to bring you some of my tips that I have for doing stuff. And so this is a big one. I saw somebody post on a forum that I'm on earlier today about how they spent over an hour looking for something that they sold. Yeah, so that used to be me. I had 100 listings at one time, and there were days where I would just be throwing everything around trying to figure out where it was. I know I still have it. It just sold. I need to find it. Spend half a day trying to figure out where it is. Finally find it. But don't let that happen to you. Use that custom SKU box and fill that in. What I do is put the location in the custom SKU. I also use that to put how much I paid for the item and when I got it, where I got it, whatever, something to help me with my bookkeeping. That's what that is there for. Only you will see that, and that information is very valuable. I'm up over 500 listings now, and like I said, I could not imagine what it would be like if I sold something now and could not figure out where it was. So let me show you how I have my inventory set up. So I have these boxes here. This rack here, it looks like it's 1 through 12. And then all of these racks here also have boxes on them. As you see, I just pull them out when I sell something, find the box. So yeah, so let's go here. First one here. So somebody buys something, it says it's in box 5. So I pull out box 5, and this just happens to be all of my reaction figures. So say somebody buys this Army of Darkness figure, an amazing figure it is, and I would be able to pull that, pack it up, and ship it out to them. So yeah, that's like it's that easy. And did you see that? Technical difficulties as I dropped something. So yeah, so we go down, somebody buys something from box number 35. So we reach into box number 35. Oh, this has all those cool Batman figures that came from that Warner Brothers lot that I bought, the truck full. So somebody buys Two-Face, tells me it's in box 25, and it tells me how much I paid for it, like I said, how I got it, and yeah, so then I pack it all up and send it out. But again, it's it's as simple as that. That custom SKU box, very, very handy. It takes 2 seconds to fill in, where you got it, where you're putting it for your inventory, and man, it's a lifesaver. So use that box. Hopefully this video was helpful for you if you've been trying to figure out, a way to keep track of your inventory or whatever. That system that I use has really helped me out a lot since I started doing that. I've been doing that for about 1.5 years now, I believe. Pretty much since just about a year. I've been in this house a year, so I've had that system up for 1 year now since we moved in here. But yeah, so again, hopefully I helped out somebody. Please let me know in the comments if there's anything else that you're struggling with shipping. I've shipped out thousands and thousands and thousands of packages. Can give you lots of tips on shipping. you know, anything, listing stuff, sourcing stuff. Yeah, so let me know what I can do to help you out, and hopefully you enjoy this. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a good day.